Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Capricorn, what are the messages for you and what's going on? So under the deck, the death with the high priestess. I think for some you are in separation with your person. For some cycles are ended between you and your person. And yes, for some it is one type of ending between you and your person. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Scorpio and high priestess. I think you are trusting your intuition and listening to your higher self. Especially listening to your intuition. So, let's see Capricorn, your reading. Recent past, 7 of Cups, Page of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles. I think you have options for some. For some you are in some confusion, Capricorn. And Page of Pentacles with Knight of Pentacles. Someone is trying to communicate with you. For some you already got message. For some you are going to be. And you are focusing on yourself. You are taking your control back. Capricorn. And 9 of Pentacles, you are focusing especially on your money and financial stability. So then presents 8 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles and 5 of Pentacles. Maybe you are waiting for communication from someone, and in past they treated you as an option. You're still waiting on them. Yes, you stand by your power, but you are still getting their thoughts. So 8 of Wands. So there is communication. Yes, there is communication is coming, back and forth communication. And there is some positive change is also coming in your relationship. And it is coming in very, very fast. Then future 2 of Cups, Page of Cups and the Star. Yes, this is just soulmate connection. And this love is mutual between both of you. And they are returning. Yes, in past maybe they hurt you. Now they're coming back with an apology, Capricorn. And the Star, I think you still have hopes on this connection. And your hope will become true definitely, because they are coming back with an apology, and this is just your soulmate. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So let's see their current feelings, Capricorn. Their current feelings, Capricorn. Okay. Ace of Swords. The Moon. And 9 of Wands. And 2 of Swords. I think your person right now at some crossroads. But they want to communicate with you. They want to give some clarity. They want to express their feelings to you. But there are some illusions between both of you. For some, maybe your person is scared for rejection. Yes, they are thinking about you a lot. How to approach you, how to communicate with you. Yeah, for some right now, you are in separation. But they are thinking about you. They want to communicate with you. Yeah, they see 8 of Pentacles. Definitely, they really want to work on this relationship. But they have to make some decision. But right now, they are at some crossroads. They are not getting clarity. So let's see their intentions. Capricorn, their intentions, yes, Judgment, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. I think you both are very independent persons. And Four of Cups with Queen of Cups. Definitely they are feeling missed opportunity with you. And for Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions towards you. Judgment. Their intentions are decision making. Definitely they are in the process of decision making, because right now they are at some crossroads. They have to make decision. Yes, they will get clarity near future. And Princess of Pentacles, definitely they want to send some message or text. If they hurt you, definitely they want to say apology to you. And for some, your person is very independent emotionally and financially also. Very few, they are right now maybe decision, they are at some crossroads because they are busy with their career, but they have strong emotions. They are missing you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. Six of Wands. Yes, they want success in this connection. And the Magician. For some, your person want to manifesting you back. And Knight of Cups, this person have romantic feelings for you. Yeah, they want to offer their cup of love to you, but they are in slow moving energy. But they want success in this connection. Six of Wands energy. For some, your person is very popular. Capricorn. Yeah, stability. Ten of Pentacles. And wow, commitment. So if you are waiting for commitment, reconciliation is coming. Direct cards. Ten of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and Three of Pentacles. Definitely they want partnership with you. In past, maybe there is no equal give and take. There is no collaboration between both of you. But now your person want to offer stability, and you also want stability in this connection. Maybe in past they are in and out of your life, but you also want stability. Definitely it is coming. And there is collaboration is coming, and there is love between both of you. Wow. Reunion, reconciliation. Nine of Wands with Three of Swords. Right now maybe you are not talking with each other, but you are thinking about each other a lot, and you both are heartbroken without each other. Yes, you both are missing each other a lot. Yes. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Capricorn. Reconciliation. Religious factors. Decision time. All I want is you. I fantasize about you and I can't let you go. Yes, they can't let you go easily. The messages are reconciliation, religious factors, decision time. All I want is you and I fantasize about you a lot. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Capricorn. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. So if you are worrying about your person, maybe you are in long distance relationship, maybe you are worrying about your family members, this is the message for you. You and your loved ones are safe, and the end of your sub cycle is approaches. Yes, definitely some cycles are going to be end in your life, especially tough cycle. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.